Are you still paying $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus? What if I told you that you could access OpenAI's entire ecosystem with zero monthly fees and complete data privacy? Let me show you how using TensorPilot. First, open the AI Providers Setup tab in TensorPilot. Click the link next to OpenAI to jump straight to their developer platform. Create a new secret API key, give it a name, and copy it to your clipboard. Head back to TensorPilot, paste your key, and click Save. Your key is encrypted locally on your device, meaning your data stays yours. Now, let's look at the All Models tab. By filtering for OpenAI, you instantly unlock dozens of models, from GPT-4o to the latest GPT-5. Notice the live pricing column? There are no subscription traps here. You pay wholesale, pay-as-you-go prices for exactly what you use. Let's put this to work. Open the Studio tab and select Image Mode. We will choose OpenAI as our provider and select their latest image model. I will paste in a detailed prompt for a moody alpine meadow and hit Generate. The result is stunning, and if we check the details, this high-resolution generation costs just 13 cents. But here's where TensorPilot gets really powerful. Click Send to Chat to move this image directly into a new workspace. Let's switch our model to the brand new GPT-5 and ask it to analyze the image. In seconds, GPT-5 breaks down the lighting, composition, and atmosphere with incredible precision, and this entire high-level vision analysis costs just over 1 single cent. But OpenAI is more than just text and images. Inside TensorPilot's Video tab, your same API key unlocks Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro for text-to-video generation. In fact, if we go back to the All Models tab, you can filter by output type. Images, video, audio, your one secure key gives you access to it all. But what if you aren't sure which model is best for a specific task? That is where TensorPilot's Model Arena comes in. By enabling Compare Mode, you can select multiple models at once. Let's test GPT-5o, GPT-5.4, and GPT-4o head-to-head. First, we test their instruction following by asking for exactly 3 bullet points on prompt writing. Then we follow up with a broken Python script to see who fixes the bug the fastest. Instantly, you can evaluate their speed, output quality, and exact token cost side by side to find the ultimate winner. Once you find the perfect setup, you can save the entire chat as a reusable workflow with just one click. This allows you to build a personal library of consistent, battle-tested AI tools tailored exactly to your daily tasks. Stop renting your AI and start owning your workspace. Download TensorPilot from the link in the description and unlock the full power of OpenAI today.